Your TikTok video has thousands of comments, but do you know which ones are from real buyers? Every comment could be a potential customer, but if you don't filter them fast enough, they're gone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. I'm Huang Mamba Tools. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. Today, I'll show you how MKP TikPro's comment scanner helps you find real leads hidden inside your TikTok videos automatically. Imagine this. Your video gets 5,000 comments overnight. People asking, how much? Where to buy? Is it still available? But you can't reply to everyone. You lose leads, you lose sales, and every minute that passes, someone buys from your competitor. That's the pain every TikTok seller faces. Too many comments, not enough time. With MKT TikPro, you can automatically scan all comments from any TikTok video, yours or even your competitors. The software instantly filters out real leads, people who ask for price, leave a phone number, or show buying intent. No more scrolling, no more missing customers. Let me show you how simple it is. Step 1. Copy the link to your TikTok video. Step 2. Paste it into the comment scanner feature on MKT TikPro. Step 3. Setting the configuration scan comments and choose the account you want to run. Step 4. Click Start. In just seconds, MKT TikPro extracts every comment and highlights the ones that show real interest, like how much, is it still available, please inbox me, or comments with phone numbers. And here's the best part. You can export all of them into Excel to follow up directly through WhatsApp, Facebook, or your CRM. This feature is perfect for TikTok sellers and shop owners who get too many comments to handle manually, marketing agencies managing multiple client accounts, affiliate marketers who need to track leads across multiple videos, and content creators who want to identify which videos attract buyers the fastest. So, if you're serious about turning TikTok comments into customers, try MKT TikPro Comment Scanner today. Click the link below in the description for a free demo or contact us on Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.